Hey guys, this is Alex down at Castle Country RV in Helper, Utah, and today we're going to be taking a look at the all-new Cherokee 274 AK. Now this is a brand new floor plan for 2022, so this is a first look basically is what you guys are getting today. Coming here along the side, you get some of the same great features that the Cherokee brand has to offer. You get the fiberglass exterior with a Teflon coating to help keep it nice and clean, free of dirt, dents, dings, things like that. Coming here under your front storage compartment, you got the solar controller for your 150 watts of solar and your under the bed storage that you can reach from both places. Come back here, you got this front door that enters right into the bathroom with your regular set of camper steps. And on the back door, you have the nice step above steps. So you get one big step and a nice solid grounded feel as you're going up the steps. On this floor plan, you got this awesome outdoor kitchen with a 2-burner gas cooktop, its own inverted little mini fridge. You can fill this with, soda, and you got a nice ice maker to keep everything nice and chilly out here. And it's all right under the awning with these nice blue LED lights. So you can be cooking, not worried about the sun, and these are manually adjustable. So you just give them a little tug down and you can dump the rain off the end, give you a little bit extra shade wherever you need it. In here, you have your nice outside TV mount. So the TV that's inside right now, it's got this same mount. So you can just pick it up right off the wall and drop it in right outside under the awning. A couple more features, you got this awesome luggage rack on the back. This thing can hold up to 350 pounds of cargo. So you can put a generator, coolers, whatever you got back here. And all the Cherokee models, they come with a backup camera standard, and that just hooks up to your phone, so you don't ever have to worry about losing the monitor or breaking the monitor or anything like that. It just hooks up right to your phone, so you can have that rear observation camera wherever you're going. Why don't we head inside and I'll show you some of the awesome interior features that Cherokee has. Oh, hey guys, didn't see you there. You kind of just caught me chilling in these nice lean back recliners. These are super awesome because there's no cables you need to worry about digging down to grab. You just sit, lean, and relax. While we're relaxing, do you guys want to watch a show on the TV? No? Okay, well, I might as well point it out anyway since we're talking about it. You got this awesome Sansui television that comes standard in this floor plan. You get the U-shaped dinette right in front of it, and this awesome jackknife sofa that faces right at the TV. So if you have kids or something that have to have the TV on while they're sleeping, this just pops right down into a bed for them to sleep on. All right, after looking at the huge spacious living space, let's jump over to the kitchen right now and look at some of the great things that they've got to offer. You got this awesome pull-out faucet that you can use to spray off all your dishes and your nice, huge stainless steel sink under this cover. You got a 3-burner gas cooktop with this awesome bamboo backsplash that also doubles as a cutting board. It just magnets right back up there. Over here, you've got a super spacious pantry. Honestly, if you need it to be, this is basically just extra sleeping space. Right here, you got your awesome 12-volt refrigerator. You got a lot of space. This is residential size in here, and this does run off just your batteries and the solar panel. Coming here, why don't we check out the bedroom and the bathroom? Whoa! Just kidding, guys. This is the awesome surround shower that Cherokee puts in here. You got the skylight above your head, so if you're taller than 6 feet, which most people are nowadays, you'll have plenty of room for your head to stand in the shower. You got a bonded floor here in the shower, so there's no flex. It's a one solid piece, so it's nice and sturdy. You probably could jump up and down in it if you wanted to. You've got this awesome bathroom vanity here with a nice spacious sink with storage underneath and its own medicine cabinet. You got a Thetford toilet with towel rack sitting right above that, so you don't have to drill in any towel racks or anything like that. Why don't we take a look into the bedroom real quick and I'll point out some of the awesome things in there. Oh, you guys caught me napping on this nice, comfortable RV queen mattress. Here in the bedroom, you've got these awesome shirt closets, so you can do coats, shirts, whatever you want in these closets up here. You got over the head storage as well to keep all your books, knickknacks, sleeping masks, whatever, anything like that. And you've got these awesome reading lights here on the bed, and you and your partner each have one, so you can be reading on your side with her light off and you're not bugging each other. why don't we head back outside and we'll finish up for the day. All right, guys, that was the all-new 2022 Cherokee 274 AK. If you want to get a closer look at this one here in person, or any of our other great selection of RVs, come and see us just off Highway 6 in Helper, Utah. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. See you next time.